For this hair mask, I used 2 eggs and then I'm gonna put some honey in it. I can see like a tablespoon of honey, but I don't measure it. Then just mix it. Can you more honey? Okay, so now I'm going to put the mask on my hair and then I'm gonna shampoo my hair with organic shampoo and then condition it with aquamarine, Revlon, what conditioner, vanilla, balsam, yeah. And yeah, so I sectioned my hair into 4 sections and I'm gonna do the first. I put a towel over because it's gonna be messy, and yeah, because it's eggs and ugh, so gooey. Oh my gosh, it's so gooey, but it already feels so good on my hair. So like the benefits of honey is that it softens your hair and moisturizes and conditions your hair. Actually feels so soft, my goodness. And eggs contains a lot of proteins, which is good for your hair. So messy. But look at that. It's like my curls are popping. Look at that. Ooh. Soak all of this hair with what? I mean with eggs, not oil. Like, where did the oil come from? So good. So good, so good, so good. Okay, the eggs doesn't really smell good, so it smells like a dead chicken. It kind of has this soapy feel to it. I think that's why they use eggs in conditioners, because it strengthens your hair and adds some nutrients to it as well. It has a kind of soapy feeling. Oh, so I'm gonna do the back and I'll see y'all when I'm done. Okay, I'm done doing all my hair, but really this egg smells so bad. So I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes. I'm gonna tie it with the plastic bag and leave it for 30 minutes. Ooh, it's dripping on my face. And then I'm gonna rinse it out with cold water, because if you use hot water, then you'll cook the eggs on your hair, so you don't want to do that. So I'll see you after 30 minutes. So 30 minutes has passed. I'm gonna take it down. Ooh, wow, okay. And then, so soft, oh my word. I think I'm gonna do a protein treatment every month. Like, it is really really, really soft. So I'm gonna wash my hair and I'll see y'all when I'm done. I am done washing my hair and conditioning my hair, and it feels really, really soft. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Do make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video where I'm going to be showing you how to... Okay, I'm not going to say what the video is about, but click that notification bell and you'll see what it's about. Bye!